Hey guys, this is Justin with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm going to be showing you the Comfort XL seat for your KTM Dual Sport from Seat Concepts. All right guys, so I have a 2020 KTM 500 XCF-W here, and I've made it street legal. I put the Tusk Street Legal kit on it. I've pretty much turned it into an EXC. So if you have a KTM dirt bike or EXC that's street legal and you're going to be doing some dual sport riding on it, the first thing you're going to want to get is this Comfort XL seat from Seat Concepts. So the stock seats on these, they're very hard, very firm, very narrow on top. They're great for off-road riding, for really aggressive, it's the same seat that you get on a motocross bike. So aggressive riding, it's a great seat for that. If you plan on doing any kind of long distance on these bikes, you've gotta save your butt and get yourself a better seat. And the thing that's really nice about these seats is they're still narrow in the front, they're a little wider in the back, so you get a lot more surface area on your butt and the back of your legs, so you can actually go those long distances. The narrow front makes it really easy to get off your bike, get your feet down, be more aggressive in the corners with it, and still be comfortable. So I'm on a 5-day adventure ride here in the Arizona desert. We're putting on about 150 to 250 miles a day. I'm on day 2. So far this seat has been a lifesaver, but I'm gonna get on the bike, put some more miles on, and give you guys some more feedback. All right, guys, we're getting toward the end of our ride, day 4 of 5. And last year when we did this ride, I did my review on the Seat Concepts Comfort XL seat on the CRF 450L. Very similar to this seat. So this review is very similar. In fact, I'm filming it in the exact same place. Day 4. But we just got off, I don't know, 120 miles of road. Maybe it's probably more than that. A couple hours anyway of highway, which isn't that fun. I'd rather be off-road. But with the Seat Concept seat, my butt was comfortable, and that makes all the difference in the world. If you were to try to do a stretch of road like that on the stock seat, you'd be in a lot of pain. It'd be a miserable ride. So, my impressions of this seat, fantastic. They did a really good job. It's shaped right. The foam density is perfect. It's soft, but not overly soft. That wider section in the back is just perfect when you're sitting down on those long stretches of road. You've got a lot of surface area to kind of spread out on and move around on, and it keeps you comfortable. So I'm really happy with that. When we get into this more aggressive riding, which as this trail gets further, we'll get more aggressive, but right now I'm in quite a bit of sand, so I'm standing up, and the narrow section of the seat up front the seat doesn't get in the way of my knees. I'm still able to kind of hold on to the bike. It just feels really natural. It's nice up there like the stock seat. But when you do have to sit down and you're gonna be there for a while, it's comfortable. It's perfect. So I'm really happy with this seat. Like I say, I put these on all my dual sport bikes. It makes all the difference in the world to be comfortable on these rides. So this is a fun little trail here, and these guys don't know where to go. So I'm gonna take the lead here for a bit. But like I say, I've had Seat Concept seats on about everything. My DRZ 400, DR 650, WR 250, the 450L, and now this KTM 500. And I really like the XL on these smaller bikes because the stock seat is so tiny that the XL really isn't that big. I mean, it's the biggest seat Seat Concepts makes, but I really wouldn't want one any smaller. It's not like it's giant. So if you've got an EXC and you know, an off-road bike like mine that I've made street legal, and you plan on spending any time at all on your rear end, then you definitely need to get one of these seats. It was the first thing I did to this seat, or with this bike, along with the gas tank, to have a little more capacity. So in my mind, they're must-haves. I would not have wanted to do this trip with the stock seat. That would have just been awful. I can't even imagine that. So for you guys with those bikes, I think you'll be really happy with the seat. They've done a great job with the fit, the finish, the design. They've been doing it for a lot of years. They've got it down. And I think you gotta have one. So anyway, thanks guys. I hope that helps you when you're looking for a seat. Be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that like button if this helped you out. And leave your comments below. I'd like to know what you guys think of your Seat Concept seat, or whatever seat you're running. So give me your feedback. Thanks guys, see ya.